Hi, Joe Cerrone. Welcome to CAD 118 in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Okay, so as we look at our splash page, we've released Module 7. Module 7 goes through 3D modifying commands, 3D move, 3D rotate, and 3D scale, 3D array, and 3D alignment. And then we have these 4 projects to work on. And so we've got these 4 projects which will take us through mirroring in 3D, being able to create 3-dimensional arrays, being able to work with sub-object editing like chamfering, and then being able to work with additional sub-object and 3D modify commands. If we take a look in the content area, we see we have Module 7 here, and we have a bonus drawing. That's this drawing right here. It's not required, but if you'd like to do some more modeling, I've included that as a bonus exercise, and it's this little key plate here where you'll draw the top, front, and right side views and then a 3-dimensional model. You can download the student practice exercises, and then you can create the modifications necessary. The dimensions for the bonus drawing are right here. And then the drawing files themselves, you can download the student files and then open them. And before I open it, I'm going to bring up the ones that I have open already. And so here's the completed student files. And then students will go through and create the tasks like 3D mirroring of this object, and then put it on the title block like we have here and submit those to the Module 7. I've also released the quizzes for quiz number 7, so quiz 7 is active as well. And if we take a look at the outline of topics, we're currently on Module 7, 3D modify commands. And then next week we have a midterm scheduled, and I'll be releasing a practice exam, and next week we will have our midterm exam, which will be proctored using HonorLock. And then after that we'll continue with our progression through the chapters. Okay, back to the main splash page. That completes our Zoom classroom meeting for today.